All the functions in a microwave, grill, and oven have been gathered together to make a multifunctional oven. By pressing the menu button or controlling dial, you can select the menu intentionally. It is possible to cook various foods by using 3 types of rack positions in the spacious cooking room. You can operate its various functions by doing the following. First is convection. Press the convection button, then turn the dial to select temperature and press Select button. Finally, turn the dial to set cooking time, then press Start button. In the convection mode, whirling hot air will cook the food quickly and evenly. Second is grill or broiling option. Press the broil button or turn the dial to broil menu and press the select button. Then turn the dial to set cooking time and press the start button. In the broiling or grilling mode, 3 types of rack positions allow various degrees of broiling. How about microwave? Press the microwave button. Turn the dial to set output and press the select button. Then turn the dial again to set time and then press the start button. For the microwave, you can just press start and plus 30 seconds button. If the inside of the cavity is hot after cooking, the cooling system will automatically operate to secure users' safety. Also keep the oven cavity clean by operating Steam Clean function by placing a mug half full of water inside the cavity. Keep the oven cavity free of odor by selecting the deodorization function. Want to be a chef? Value beyond imagination. Daewoo Electronics.